So in this video, I'm gonna go over this Autolock electric grinder / maybe orbital sander. Let me show you how this thing works. So this is a plug-in version of an orbital sander. I'll just take everything out of the box here. We don't need the box. You get some 40 grit, 120 grit, 60 grit with it. I think I put 120 on it. No, I put 80 grit on the thing. And right here, you got some fine sandpaper that's more of like a finer grit, an extra change pad. So if you want to go with a smaller, these are, I think, are 6-inch, and these are the 4-inch. There's a smaller version. So you get two smaller versions, little owner's manual for changing everything out, but you know what, don't need that. A wrench, and the wrench is used to change out the actual attachment, so that's what you're gonna need that for. An extra hose for an extra attachment for hooking on, like, say, like a vacuum cleaner. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you how the hose runs like that. You plug this in, and we'll take this thing and we'll grind down a piece of board, and I'll show you what this thing does because I've been very impressed with it. It's got a lot of power. It is a brushless motor. It's got a nice hand. I like these hand grip ones like this, these palm top sanders. So let's plug it in and see what it does. Okay, so we went ahead and plugged this thing in to turn it on. You guys see that? It has number 4, 5, 6. It goes all the way up to, I think, 10. Let's go ahead and let's run it 4. Goes from 4 to A, whatever A means. You got the minus. Now this is a orbital sander, so it goes circular and at the same direction. Let's go ahead and test it out on this door. I want to repaint this door. So if you got a vacuum cleaner, you can hook that up, and a vacuum cleaner make that work just perfectly. Everybody, this is for the for what this thing costs, for the affordability of this thing. I think this is a great item for anyone that just looking for affordable tools to get the job done. Knock down that edge. Woo, that is smooth. That feels good. To change out the pads, you want to turn it off. Lay it down. That is tough. You guys see that? That's impressive. And see, that vacuum will pull up through there, so that's going to work great for that. Then to turn it back on. Ooh, I can feel that force on there. That's awesome. That just want a good orbital sander for a job site that kind of get the job done. This has the Autolock electric sander. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Autolock electric sander. See you on the next video.